Yeah, hi Terry, it's Mike Redding. Rather than writing a long email, I thought it might just be easier to create a quick demo video so that I can explain to you how to insert a YouTube video into a Google site so that it will still work on an iPad. So here's what we do. I've logged into my account, I've clicked on sites, and I'm just going to choose one of the demo sites that we use all the time. So to insert the video, we simply just come up to the top here, click on the edit page button just up the top, and then I click on insert, and then I come down the bottom here and I click on YouTube. Now what we need to do is we need to just get a YouTube URL. So I'm just going to grab this particular one here and go back to my site and paste that YouTube URL in there. Now, some of the things we can do is we can change the size of the video. We can include a border, and we can also change the title. So this one's about Street View in the Galapagos Islands. So I'm just going to click on Street View and click Save. So you'll see now that the video is here. I can go back to those properties just by clicking on that little cog, and it will take us back there. I can change the placing and the justification just using these buttons just here. You can wrap text around your video, and you can also delete your video there. So once we've got it how we like it, we just click on save, and that YouTube clip is now embedded. So we're not necessarily grabbing an embed code and putting that into the site, we're just rather inserting a video that way from YouTube. Now, you've also asked about YouTube and setting that up in a primary school setting. One of the things I would suggest that you do is that you would have a look at youtube.com/schools. This is YouTube for schools. Basically, you can sign up here and create an account. And in that way, you can leave YouTube blocked for your students, but open up a portal for YouTube for schools. Now, YouTube for schools removes all the comments and all the ads. And so it gives you a much cleaner interface, and all the videos there are guaranteed to be educational quality and have educational value. So you could do that for your school, and that might be another way around it. The other thing that you can do for your teachers is they can all have a YouTube channel attached to their Google account. So for instance, if a teacher made a video, they would simply come in here, click the upload button like you would normally do. But one of the things they could do if they wanted to keep that video out of the public arena is just change the privacy here to unlisted. Then what they would do is they'd simply give their students the URL from that particular video, and the students could still watch it, but it's not going to be searchable in the YouTube database. So every teacher could make a list of unlisted videos in their YouTube channel. Or what you could also do is create a generic account like videos at your school as a Google account, and then you would have a YouTube channel that would go with that. The other thing that you can do is create multiple playlists for different students. And so you might have a certain number of videos for year 1, certain number of videos for year 2, and so on. And so those videos would sit inside that playlist, and then they could then be listed publicly or unlisted publicly, whichever way you'd like to go about that. So hopefully that helps. If you've got any other questions, please just let me know.